Hey guys, this is Martin for Take a Look Pool, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing of the PanoClip. Okay, let's get to it. Let's open this box. And here it is. So, as you can see, right at the top, it tells us that this is a 360-degree snap-on lens. At the bottom it says PanoClip. From one side we can see what the PanoClip looks like. This is what it looks like from the other side. There are currently three, or actually more models, but it says there are 3 models available for iPhone 7 and 8, for iPhone 7 Plus and 8 Plus, and for the iPhone X. Now they also have a compact version that should be compatible with all of these, but I didn't really like the compact one, so I went for this one. Okay, let's open this box. Alright, so inside the box we have this little pouch, and on the other side we have the PanoClip. This is all it basically is. White and black from one side with the lens, and black on black from the other side. And here is the little place where the phone goes inside. So let's take a look at what it looks like with the phone. I will first try to place my iPhone 8 with the cover inside, but no, unfortunately that is too thick, so I'll have to take the cover off. And yeah, so the white part goes away from you and the black part goes towards you. Alright guys, this has been an unboxing of the PanoClip 360-degree snap-on lens. Thank you for watching.